If God is with us, who can be against us? For we can do all things through Christ Jesus who strengthens us. Nothing can shake or put us down because we are more than conquerors through Christ who loved us. We were not created by God in vain. God has created us for a definite purpose, and His plan for us cannot be changed. It is He who created our inmost being and knit us together in our mother's womb. For we are fearfully and wonderfully made. We are head and not the tail. Our God is with us in our trials, troubles, and suffering. While He is with us, we have nothing to fear. He will not abandon us or forsake us, for He has said in book of Isaiah chapter 43 verses 1 to 3, "Fear not, for I have redeemed you. I have called you by name, you are mine. When you pass through the waters, I will be with you, and through the rivers. They shall not overwhelm you. When you walk through fire, you shall not be burned, and the flame shall not consume you. Our God is ever watchful, and we are safe in His love and care. For He has engraved us on the palm of His hand. Though in the sight of the world we may be foolish, but in God's sight we are precious and honored, and He loves us, as we read in book of Isaiah chapter 43 verses 4. You are precious to me, you are honored, and I love you. If God is on our side, then we are head and not the tail. He will never let His faithful and those who trust in Him put to shame.